Cadillac, white and black. Ports niya. Yung Lincoln Navigator, black and white. GMC Denali. So, black and white version din siya. Pero ito, diesel to. Ito gas. Grand Wagoneer, yung Suburban, kasi Alphard. So, ito yung Dodge Ram. And then, the Tundra na Toyota. So, the Toyota Sequoia, RD Pro. Tapos ito yung capstone, yung high-end niya. Yung X5, tsaka yung F-Pace na Jaguar. Altera, Mercedes-Benz, GLS. The S-Class, the Volvo XC90, the Autobiography Range Rover. 2020, the Evoque. Then, Defender, natin yung long wheelbase. LM, yung Lexus na, yes, the higher end of the Alphard. Of course, yung LC2. Savannah, nag-EMC siya. Dumating tong Ford Bronx. It's one of the first editions. Benz GLE, ito yung X7. We have yung Sprinter, and the Gladiator, the Porsche, Cayenne, Maserati, which is the G63. Benz na Avantgarde, dalawang moon buggy, Bentley, Maybach, Mercedes-Benz Maybach. Then of course, yung latest,
Your favorite.
yes, our favorite is the
Rolls Royce.
This is the Cullinan.
Kukunin ko lahat yung may pag-aari mo para itapat doon sa ginawa ninyong pandililang sa tao.